everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a double unboxing of Cartier and Louis Vuitton. It's been a while guys since I made a video. However, here I am. This is what I got today from Louis Vuitton, and this is none other than this. So you already know what it is based from the size of it. And this is the lip balm, which I've been wanting to get, and I haven't tried this yet guys, but I went to Louis Vuitton to see what exactly it looked like. I know the website has the try on, but in person the colors are different. The purplish color, and I'm gonna link it down below as soon as I can find it in the website. And this is what it looks like guys. It is so pretty. I'm debating to get the black or the white, but since I've been leaning more on the lip balm, I've been using Dior lip glow before and I really love it. And this is what it looks like guys. This is perfect for fall, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It looks dark, but on the skin it doesn't look like it's really a dark color, but more like just subtle color for fall. I can't wait to try this on guys. I'm so excited. And then this one, when you removed it, it looks like this. So whatever lipstick you're gonna buy as a refill, you can put it on in here like so. And even the satin ones or the matte ones, if you're gonna buy the refill, you can put it in here. So I started with the white since I like the white color, and I can just put any refills in here. And I saw that the refill also has the cover, so if you get tired of another lipstick, then you just put the cap on. This is like on the heavier side. It has a weight to it guys, which is really substantial, and it's nice to put it in your bag. For example, I'm gonna show you the small bag that I have, and it fits really well. So see, so it can fit really well. Even if it's standing, you can still put a lot inside, and it's nice that it can fit a walk. So if you are on a night out for dinner, you can bring this lipstick. Each time you take it off from your bag, it looks so nice. And here I have my business affinity, and it also fit in here. Because I'm showing you this guys, as this is a substantial lipstick. It is bigger than the other lipstick. And for example, I have here my YSL. So it's more thicker than my YSL. I also have a Chanel lipstick. I don't know where it is. Staring it, it looks thicker. I really like it. The magnet is really good. Like, see, if you're gonna cover it, it just cover right away. I am so happy. So this is $160 and I paid $173 US. That's with tax here in the US. And this is the lipstick that I got. And this is from Cartier. And inside has this small box. And I also asked for this jewelry pouch. And SA that assisted me said that they are not giving this anymore. However, she gave me one. This is the receipt. I cannot remember how much did I pay for this, but let me look. So this is $12.50 US, and then with tax, the tax is like $100.63. So the price is first, then the item. This is the certificate, and this is the item that I got, and this is a love ring in yellow gold. So this is in 18 karat gold. If you want me to do a Cartier collection that I've had collected through the years, just let me know guys. And this is what it looks like. So my husband originally gifted me this white gold like 10 years ago or 15 years ago. So this is my white gold, and I'm planning to put it here so it will look like this together with the band. Since I mixed white gold and yellow gold, so I opted that why don't I just like mix both of the love ring so it will look good. And sometimes I'm also thinking if I can put it here like so, or here with my Trinity ring. So this Trinity ring is my first Trinity that I got. Then I added this earring and then this bracelet that I got. So the Trinity ring that I got when I went back to get this, I have it engraved with my son's name inside. So inside this ring has my son's names, as I have 3 boys, and it looks like this. So if I'll put it here together, it will look like this, guys. I really love it. So together with my love bracelet, it looks like this. So this is in yellow gold. So guys, thank you so much for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day, and hope to see you again next time. Bye. Take care, everyone.